Telegram login problem, how to fix. Now, what is the login problem that you're having? Because there might be many type of login problem. First login problem is something with related to your phone number. So just make sure that your phone number is entered correctly. Tap the arrow button, tap on the yes option, then it's going to call your phone number. So make sure you still have the SIM card inserted on this exact phone. Now, if you don't want to receive a phone call, then you can request an SMS at the very bottom by waiting for this much amount of time. Now, if that helps you, then that's perfectly fine. If it doesn't, what you can try to do is simply try to go ahead and uninstall the Telegram app, reinstall it, and see if that helps you. If you're still facing the issues, then I would actually recommend you to download this app of Telegram, which is Telegram X. So this is also another version of Telegram from Telegram company themselves, so it's not another third-party app. You can actually just try to use this app, install it, and see if this is the one that lets you log in and send you the code. Only just make sure that you have access to the phone number. So I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.